After this woman forgot to pack her lunch, she asked her husband to bring one to her office, and what she unpacked last left the entire office shocked.
So I forgot my lunch today, and I asked my husband to bring me lunch. So let's do an unboxing, because clearly it's a little full. I just have a feeling this is going to be really good. We have a bag of we have a bag of cookies, not a Ziploc bag. We have a bag of pretzels. Feels very empty. We got an apple. Gotta stay healthy. We have not just a portion of Pringles, but an entire container. Another bag of cookies. And lastly, oh, my 2-day-old Chipotle. And at the very bottom, we have a bag of dog food. Because you're my dog. Oh, there's 2, Joy. Please bring back the dogs are low on food.